In this video, we compare DJI Mini 3 Pro and Avata Explorer Drone Combo. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The DJI Mini 3 Pro offers a stunning 4K video and 48 megapixel photo capability, capturing your world in remarkable detail, whether it's day or night. With a flight time of up to 34 minutes, the DJI Mini 3 Pro allows you to explore and capture more of your surroundings than ever before. Weighing less than 249 grams, the DJI Mini 3 Pro's compact and foldable design makes it perfect for any adventure and eliminates the need for registration in most regions. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is equipped with tri-directional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, offering unparalleled safety for a mini drone. Beyond its advanced camera system, the DJI Mini 3 Pro comes with an array of intelligent features like focus track, true vertical shooting, master shots, time-lapse, and quick transfer, enhancing your creative options. Included with the DJI Mini 3 Pro is the new DJI RC, pre-installed with the DJI Fly app and featuring a built-in 5.5-inch HD display for clear viewing even in direct sunlight. The DJI Avata Explorer Drone Combo provides an immersive flight experience with its integrated wearing design and the inclusion of DJI Goggles Integra and DJI RC Motion 2. The drone features an upgraded camera system, offering ultra-smooth 4K footage with a 1.7-inch sensor and a super-wide 155-degree FOV, providing next-level imagery. Despite its compact palm-sized design, the Avata is capable of agile maneuvers, making it ideal for adventures. The Avata drone offers an impressive 18-minute flight time and enhanced safety with a built-in propeller guard, allowing it to handle minor contact and continue flying. The drone is backed by DJI O3 Plus video transmission, providing a sharp and responsive HD live feed at distances of up to 10 kilometers. The Avata Explorer Combo is compliant with FAA remote ID rules, making it a reliable and legal choice for drone enthusiasts. The DJI Mini 3 Pro and the DJI Avata Explorer Drone Combo are both high-quality drones with advanced camera systems, but they cater to different needs and preferences. The Mini 3 Pro is notable for its lightweight and compact design, making it ideal for travel and outdoor adventures. It also provides extended flight time of up to 34 minutes, allowing for longer exploration and filming periods. Its tri-directional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0 offer top-notch safety in its category. On the other hand, the Avata Explorer Drone Combo offers an immersive flight experience with its integrated wearing design and DJI Goggles Integra. It also has a super-wide 155-degree FOV camera system for capturing expansive landscapes. However, its flight time is slightly less at 18 minutes. Both drones come with their respective remote controls, with the Mini 3 Pro featuring a built-in 5.5-inch HD display on the DJI RC and the Avata Explorer coming with the DJI RC Motion 2. Ultimately, the choice between the two would depend on the user's specific requirements, such as portability, flight time, and immersive flight experience.